Hey everyone, I've been holding this in for way too long and I can't stay quiet anymore. Palantir stock, PLTR, has been on a wild ride, and if you're an investor or even just watching the market, you've probably noticed the chaos. But here's the thing. Is this crash a red flag, or is it a golden opportunity? Today I'm breaking it all down. No fluff, no hype, just the facts you need to know. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the big question. Why is Palantir stock crashing? Well, it's not just one thing, it's a combination of factors. First, let's talk about market volatility. The tech sector has been under pressure lately, and Palantir, being a high-growth tech stock, is no exception. Rising interest rates, inflation concerns, and geopolitical tensions have all contributed to a risk-off environment. Investors are nervous, and that's causing some serious sell-offs. But here's where it gets interesting. Palantir's fundamentals tell a different story. Let's break it down. Revenue growth. Palantir has consistently delivered strong revenue growth. In their latest earnings report, they posted a 20% year-over-year increase, with their commercial segment growing even faster. This shows that their business model is gaining traction, especially in industries like healthcare, energy, and finance. Government contracts. Palantir's work with government agencies, particularly in defense and intelligence, remains a cornerstone of their business. These contracts are long-term and provide a steady stream of revenue. With global tensions rising, demand for their data analytics platforms is unlikely to slow down anytime soon. Commercial expansion. While government contracts are their bread and butter, Palantir is making significant strides in the commercial sector. Companies are increasingly relying on data-driven decision-making, and Palantir's Foundry platform is positioning itself as a key player in this space. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: valuation. Yes, Palantir has always been expensive compared to its peers. Even after the recent crash, its price-to-sales ratio is higher than many other tech stocks. But here's the thing. If you believe in their long-term vision, this crash might actually be a buying opportunity. Remember, Amazon and Netflix had their share of crashes too, and look where they are now. That said, I'm not telling you to go all in. Palantir is still a risky play, and you need to be prepared for more volatility. The stock is heavily influenced by market sentiment, and short-term price swings are almost guaranteed. So, what's the bottom line? Palantir stock is down, but it's not out. The key is to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and make a decision that aligns with your investment goals. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few more things you should consider. If you're thinking about investing in Palantir competition, Palantir isn't the only player in the data analytics space. Companies like Snowflake, Microsoft, and even smaller startups are competing for market share. Palantir's edge lies in its specialization and government ties, but competition is always a risk. Profitability. While Palantir has made progress toward profitability, they're not there yet. Their high operating costs, especially in R&D and sales, continue to weigh on their bottom line. Investors need to keep an eye on whether they can achieve sustainable profitability in the coming years. Stock-based compensation. This has been a controversial topic for Palantir. The company has been criticized for its heavy use of stock-based compensation, which dilutes shareholder value. It's something to keep in mind when evaluating the stock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights on stocks, investing, and market trends. Let me know in the comments, what's your take on Palantir stock? Are you buying the dip, or are you staying away? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In a small village, a cat named Whiskers discovered a magic fish in a pond. The fish promised 3 wishes in exchange for its freedom. Whiskers wished for endless fish, a cozy bed, and a bell that rang softly. The fish granted all 3 wishes and swam away, leaving Whiskers content and purring in the sun.